Alright guys, we're on our way to an Intel Lenovo Legion event. I'm running late, so I've got a rush. Philmeister's picking me up. Let's take some of these while we're at it.
The event is also in partnership with Fortress and FIFA 2026. And that's a big deal, as it is expected that more than 2 billion people are going to be tuning into it. Stick around, this vlog is going to be a fun one.
Yeah, g'day champion. Alright, just got in the car here with Philmeister.
Yeah, g'day champion.
We're on our way to the Intel Lenovo event. Let's go! We're going to be meeting up with Lawrence and Sega later on tonight as well, so that should be interesting. Filmed on DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Guys, if you want to send us
Osmo Pocket 4 for review.
Yeah. We'd love to check out a DJI Osmo Pocket 4, see how much better it is. So we're waiting to get into the parking now. It's got to be exactly 5:45, so we got 10 minutes to go. There's a PowerPoint of this event, right? We were looking it up beforehand. At first we were thinking it's just going to be a small event where they're just like reviewing all the different laptops and stuff that got coming out. We looked at the PowerPoint. It's huge.
At least 69 pages long.
Yeah. 2 to 3 different photo booths. There's going to be like hundreds of creators here. It's going to be exciting. And I've got to get a photo with everyone. That's the goal, yeah? We've got to do everything.
Photo with everyone, do every event, scavenger hunt, photo booth.
That's right. Potential brand deals if anyone wants to sponsor us. Intel.
Lenovo Legion.
I'm going to Japan soon, so I'd love a new laptop to edit all this content. It'll be amazing stuff.
And speaking of laptops, you are going to be surprised at what we see at this event, because not only do these laptops boast the capability of being able to play Cyberpunk on ultra graphics at 60 frames per second, but coming up in this video, we're going to show you one of the coolest laptops we've ever seen.
We'll see you at the event, guys.
But before we get into Fortress and the event, we first have to meet up with the crew. Now, Sega and Lawrence have been friends with me for a very long time. They inject a lot of fun into vlogs like these, and when we meet up with Lawrence, you're going to see exactly why with the surprise that he has in store. Keep watching.
Whoa. Oh, phantasmal.
We're not scalping here, guys.
We're not scalpers.
Legitimate. This event is actually bigger than what I thought it was going to be.
Yeah, we're gonna go because it starts.
We were looking up the PowerPoint for it. It's a huge thing.
It's a PowerPoint?
Yeah, they made a full PowerPoint for it. There it is.
Looking inside of it. Go up.
Yeah.
Some sort of event happening.
I know. I wonder what it is.
Josh said it's a Woolworths convention. Mate.
Lawrence. Yeah.
Yeah, champion.
Do you know Sega was going to this thing?
Oh, yeah. Mate, let's get started.
Don't really scan your ink.
Oh, no, I got a ticket. Yeah, because the thing said to print it out.
Why don't you scan your ink?
No, man, I got a ticket. I think they scanned me there.
Bro had some extra money at Office Works.
No, I printed it at work.
You needed to make sure you got the QR code.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
QR code's the important bit. It's a bit small.
Yeah, I can't read it. Can you zoom in, please? Well, it works. That's the important thing. Thank you. Lovely.
Cool, thank
Just here
you.
for me, we'll grab your lunches.
Thank you. Cheers. Thank you. Probably an apple cider, right?
2 of those?
Yeah.
Will we please get 2 Summersby apple ciders?
I know this guy.
I've already had 4 drinks at happy hour.
Oh yeah.
Is this the Woolworths convention?
Oh yeah.
I just got interviewed by Walker, man. For the Lenovo thing, and if you sing me out, I'm like, what do I do?
Bro's just casually eating chili. Alright, so it seems like there's something happening in the main hall now.
Let's go to the hall.
Is it starting now?
Yeah, it's starting now.
Oh, should we go faster?
Should we go faster?
And this is it, guys. We're about to check out the home of Legion.
2, 1.
This venue changes. Lenovo Legion is not a badge on the wall. It is the standard every machine in this room is held to.
My name is Lavender By, and I am joined by the one and only football superstar Claudio Fabiano. How are we feeling tonight?
Oh, super pumped, guys. What a place to spend your Wednesday night, am I right? Fortress, Sydney. Has anyone not been here before? Is anyone coming for the first time? I see a couple of hands over here. You are coming for the first time, so you would have seen the awesome bar around there. I've been here a few times, but I always discover somewhere new. And guys, you're in for an awesome night. We're going to keep the formalities super quick for you. There's some really interesting chats coming up, and then after that, you can free roam, get your hands on the tech, have some food, have some drinks, and just have
Yeah, well, we wanted to capture what we call the spirit of the arcade of the 80s. So when we were young, we used to have to go out of the home to play video.
There's 4 things I'm going to tell you about Panther Lake that are quite amazing. Now, I worked at Intel for 25 years. I started when I was 4, and you're not supposed to laugh at that. AI doesn't work without software. You can have as many tops in your PC as you want, but you don't get the software right, it doesn't work.
So we're powering all the laptops that the operations team, they're all Intel AI-enabled Lenovo laptops, right through to the hybrid AI stack that will power the broadcast as well.
Innovation means exploring what's next. At Legion, we continually and actively pushing into new form factors, including foldable. Drum rolls, please.
Drum roll, everyone.
There you go. It decided to. There you go. Now, and there you go. And now it's a 24-inch gaming laptop.
This is a game.
Mobile. Amazing, right? This is still concept. Who wants one of this?
Yeah.
What a crowd. Should we go to the tavern?
I think it's time. Thank you to everyone who joined in online. Or
Thank
guys
you,
enjoyed
the viewers.
Home of Legion.
I want to be in What up, chat? What up, club? What up? Subscribe and like to Mr. B6000. Mate, you got the yellow card. What are you doing, mate?
General shenanigans. She literally was like, I like your t-shirt. Who's your favorite Pokemon? I'm like, Charizard.
Nah, get a yellow card. Who here tonight's going to get the red card?
What's the red card?
I don't know. I should have asked her. How do I get a red card? I think it's when the bartender cuts you off.
Yeah, listen, Lawrence, are you in the market for a new laptop?
I just bought a mate.
Mate, you alright? How many have you had tonight? 2. Yeah, oh yeah. There's your shot. Hey, thumbnail.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That one with you in it.
Oh, yeah.
She broke the chain. If you break the chain, it's 100 years of bad luck.
Hey, guys.
Hey. Take your selfie. Yeah, go do it.
I didn't even get the recorder.
And now for the next couple of minutes, we're going to be opening up some Premier League card packs. If trading cards aren't your thing, remember you can always look through the timestamps down below.
Oh, snap.
Do we rip it or save it?
Can I pull the Ronaldo? What's the thing?
So since it's FIFA related, might as well open up the FIFA card.
What's the card trick?
I don't even know if there is a card trick. Alright, I don't even know what we got here.
I don't even want to open it, eh?
Alright.
Might just keep mine.
Wait, there's a shiny one.
Wait, do we put that to the back? Did you pull it?
Oh yeah, he's a footballer.
This one. Oh, beast mode.
They all have some hollow frame.
Yeah.
They all have some hollow frame.
Maybe this is what we need to start collecting now.
This costs $1 million pack, limited edition. Oh, it's James Quifanikas. Yeah. Oh my gosh, we pulled the beast mode. Yo.
Where'd you get these from?
Yeah, we will. There's a whole box.
Oh, I got 2 for 1. Bananas in pajamas. Does Wayne Rooney still play?
No.
Bro, he retired. That was like FIFA 09. Come on, cuz.
Hey, this is Premier League, not FIFA.
If anyone anyone knows anything about football, please let us know.
Bro, it's worth $700. Oh my gosh. In a PSA, like. It's like worth $700. In a PSA. Hey, brother.
What's in the other one? Let's check it. Whoosh. It's like fully.
That's hot.
Are all the cards safe? Yeah. Okay. Getting spices everywhere.
So what's this, pumpkin?
Yeah. Sashimi.
Oh. I can't believe they've just left the food here.
I can't say no. Walk around with it. I didn't see that though.
We're gonna get taken in.
Get ready, Josh. Get ready, Josh.
That's your name, right?
Wait, do you want a skewer? Hey, you want a
That's sick.
Have another skewer.
And after eating the food, we got hands-on with the tech.
What are you even doing? Come on, Josh. We got it, Josh. We got it.
What's
Anything in the cave that you want, you can get. But it's the last headset. That is the last gaming headset.
Yeah, sure. I'll take. Yeah. Thank you so much.
No,
Thank you.
You go. That's okay.
Show us your prize, brother.
Yeah, g'day champions. I got the wireless gaming headset from Lenovo.
Nice.
What a brilliant prize.
The Glam-bot, it is the place to be.
Boy, selfie. The lighting here is perfect. Yo, Matty Wendo.
Matty Wendo.
It's the Rizzler, the Rizzler.
Yeah, the Rizzler.
Alright.
Hello.
First of all, this is our safety line.
Yep.
Right? Everyone behind it. Next, what's going to happen is it's going to come from here. It's going to come to about here. And it's going to go. And it's going to go like that. Yeah.
Whoa. I don't know what we're doing.
Yeah, look, we had no idea what we were doing, but this is the final result of the Glam-bot.
Nice, and now I can just reverse the footage. Yeah, actually. Yeah. We got mac and cheese here. We have some food and play some soccer. Check this out, guys. We won a headset from Lenovo. Now we're just having some mac and cheese now. We've got some nice lighting from the claw machine over there. Nicely spiced.
With only 30 minutes left now, we may have a battle to the death.
Yeah, brother.
CPU. I'm unsure of the specifics, but that's what
buddy.
Oh, we're heading upstairs now. Check out the rest of it.
So what's the point of
Brother, come in. We'll get a quick selfie in 69 mode, whatever it is.
Hey, Nick Takula!
What's up? Absolutely. Mate, don't say that.
Who's this? Oh, what's going on here then? Oh, I'm dying. Oh, I just got in and I'm dead. What is going on? Bro, what's the button? I'm pressing B. Oh, this AI is like full on smart, eh? Oh, I'm just chilling. Look at this. I'm not even doing anything. Bro, what are you chilling for? You're just sitting down. Oh, that's smooth. That's smooth.
Alright guys, we're nearing the end of this vlog, so we're going to bring the energy down now with some B-roll. If you made it this far, you are an absolute legend. Please leave a fire emoji in the comment section so I know exactly who the legends are, and I'm sending you good vibes for the rest of your day.
Wow, brother.
The funny thing is, no one takes me seriously at work, but I'm the trainer.
Yeah. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up our Intel Lenovo vlog sponsored by FIFA 2026. Guys, it was an absolute blast. I won myself a headset with the claw machine and now we're going to head home. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.
I can't believe the entire event I was wearing a Lisa t-shirt, and just a couple days later they announced that Lisa is going to be partnering with FIFA. Chat, that is some insane manifestation. The chances of a Lisa and SquishyJoshy collab could just be around the corner. Who knows? Lenovo, if you'd like to make that happen, I'm all ears. Or if you can supply me with a laptop that can help me with my video editing, that would be amazing too. Over next to Lisa's face here, you can check out another video, and please do follow along this journey as we seek to bring you the best in all things gaming, art, music, and experiences. Take care of yourselves. See ya!